Hello my lovelies and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I thought I would film a different style video, which looking back at my channel, I filmed one like this, I think it was 3 or 4 years ago. It was so long ago and I thought, you know what, I'm going to do my nails anyway, I may as well film an updated sort of tutorial on how I do them. In the UK at the moment we are in lockdown number 3, so obviously we can't go out to salons, and I feel like it is still nice to just feel nice about yourself. And I think me, especially because of my job, I have to be presentable because obviously I'm doing makeup and stuff like that, and I just don't want my nails to look a bit naff. I thought I'd show you guys how I do my nails. Honestly, it was so easy. Looking at the before, I'll put a before photo here. They have completely transformed and I'm so happy with them. I love the colour of them, I love the length of them, the shape of them, everything about it is just really happy. I feel like I've gone to get them done and it was so easy to do. I'll list the kit and the products and stuff that I used in the description box down below. So if you wanted to purchase it yourself, or for someone else, then the link will be down below. But yeah, if you want to see how to get these at home long lasting nails, then please keep watching.
Okay, so these are my natural nails. I had absolutely nothing on them and I thought I'd try the Kira Sky Jelly Tips. I think I'm pronouncing that right. If not, then let me know in the comments. And I also bought one of their colours in the shade Fun and Games. I also bought some files and some file buffers as well, just so I had the full kit, and this lamp also came with the kit as well. Okay, so first thing I am going to do is just measure the tips with my nails. Obviously you want to do this in 2s, so I done that and I just popped them to one side in the right order. It's really good to do this beforehand, just so you're prepping and you're just a bit ahead of yourself because you'll be using those in a moment. I am then just going to buff my nails. Last night I made sure I cut my cuticles, buffed them properly, cut my nails down and just filed them and made sure there was nothing on them. I'm then going to go in with step 1, which is prep. The good thing about this kit is they've all got numbers on, so it's really simple to do. And when you buy the kit, on the back of it, it's got really simple instructions. So honestly, it was very easy to follow. So obviously I'm just going to go in with number 1 and then I'm going to go with number 2. I realised shortly after that the lamp is only for one nail, so I advise doing this sort of one by one, if that makes any sense. So yeah, number 2 is more of like a sticky formula. And then you're going to go in with number 3, which is the builder. So what you need to do is just stroke one simple sort of light layer onto your natural nail, pop it under the lamp for 30 seconds, and then get the false nail. And as you can see, you want to put the builder onto that as well, and just push it against your natural nail. It's quite hard to explain, but it's honestly really easy. And then you want to put that under the lamp, and that's all you do. That's all you do in terms of the falsies, in terms of the length. And then I'm just going to repeat that on all of my hands, and then I'm going to get to painting.
Always keep my heart and soul strong. You're the first thing in the morning and the last. Baby, you're my future and you are my past. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Ordering a cup of love.
Once they are all stuck on, I am then just going to file them down to my desired shape. You can get small, medium and long. I went for the medium, but I did file them down a little bit more because I didn't want them to be too long. I am then just going to buff them over the top. This is really simple and easy to do. This is just going to help the gel colour stick to your nails even more. So I bought this builder. This is actually from Amazon and it's really good. I just bought it just because I didn't want my nails to be too thin and just to strengthen them a little bit more. I'm then going to go in with the colour, and I think I've done 3 coats of this. So I'll do one layer, pop it under the lamp, another layer, pop it under the lamp, another layer, pop it under the lamp, and then I'll go in with the top coat after, and that is literally it. It is that simple and easy to do, yet you've got the most fabulous nails ever. I am then just going to pop a little bit of acetone onto a pad and just scrape off any sort of residue that I have left, and then that is literally it. You can also add some cuticle oil, and this is the final result. I'll pop a link to it down below.
And every time that you walk through the door.
So my lovelies, that is the end. So my lovelies, this is the end of the video. Honestly, it was so simple and easy to do. I filmed me doing my nails yesterday. And honestly, they're amazing. Like, they're really sturdy. I've caught them a couple of times. I was thinking, are they gonna ping off or are they gonna really hurt? It was absolutely fine. They're really sturdy. I love the color of them. And yeah, I'm just obsessed with them. So I'll leave the link to the kit and the gel color and all that kind of stuff that I used in the description box down below. I highly recommend you using this kit because honestly, it's amazing. And being completely honest, because it's a little bit pricier, it was in my basket for about 4 months, honestly, for about 4 months. And my sister is a nail tech. You've probably seen her all over Instagram. And usually I love getting my nails done with her, but because now we're in lockdown 3, I thought, you know what? I don't know what this year is going to be like, so I'm just going to bite the bullet and just buy the kit. And honestly, I am so happy I did because my nails have never looked this professional at home. Yeah, honestly, I'm just so happy with it, and I can't wait. I'm gonna buy a lot more gel colors as well, so maybe I'll film me doing it again in like 2 weeks time or 3 weeks time when they've grown out a little bit, and then I'll use a different color. But yeah, I love them so much. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for your love and support as always, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.